Here we go, guys. We are on an estate clean out. Lighting's not the best down here, but we're down in the basement. Everything down here's got to go. A lot of it we're going to sell. This pile over here right now so far is just all garbage. Besides the fan. The fan's for sale. Patio furniture. That'll sell pretty quickly. This dresser. That'll sell pretty quickly. The stuff on top of it is clothing. A couple duffel bags. That'll sell on eBay. These 3 boxes. And this one box right here, I got to go through. It's got books, clothes, kitchen items. This stuff over here is going to get donated. A couple things right here, clothing racks, and a metal cabinet back there. You can't really see it, but it's in the back there. That's for sale. The appliances, they're going to stay. We're not taking those. But we're done down here. Let's shut the lights. I got to go back up to the first floor. I'll show you what we got up there. So this job came to us through a realtor that we work with all the time. And, you know, we got about a week, little over a week to empty the contents of the house. This carpet right here has got to go. Basically anything that's not permanent, anything that's not screwed down has got to go. We'll start down here in the back. 3-bedroom house. There's not much left here. Bed, carpet, chair. I got the bed sold. People are coming to pick that up, hopefully today. Most of the furniture in here is sold, except these 2 dressers. Now they were already in the house. They took all the clothing. They took most of the personal items already. So that makes this one a really easy, quick, easy money. Old bathroom. Green tile. Like a greenish yellow tub. Fancy. All these towels and pillows and all that. We'll just donate that. Nobody buys it. It's used. And then we don't have to pay to get rid of it. Come down here in the living room. Couches, I believe, are sold. Again, just waiting on the people. The hutch, minus the contents inside. The contents inside, that's all going to get sold on eBay. I got to go through it all, take pictures of it all, inventory it, see what we got. But the hutch itself is going to go. Dining room table, same thing, should be sold, just waiting on the people. Kitchen table, I found 2 leaves down in the basement for this, so that'll open up another almost 2 feet. Again, waiting on the people. They're supposed to come. I'd say in the next day or 2, all this furniture should be gone if everybody shows up as they said. And then the house is going to be empty. I'm hoping to do this whole job 3 days, start to finish. Today's day 1 that we're in here. I've already took pictures of all this furniture. Got it all listed, got all the measurements up, and I've literally have almost 100 messages between all the different items. So I'm confident that it's all going to go in the next, I'd say within 1 to 2 days. But we got to see what happens. Sometimes people say they're coming, they don't show up. But I wanted to show you guys, you know, the other part of my business besides just scrap metal and electronics, e-waste. I do a lot of estate cleanouts, and I sell a lot of items. All the small stuff goes on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, places like that. All the big stuff is like OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace. Those are the 2 that move the stuff the fastest. I will keep you guys updated. I'll show you some more parts of the video as I go through the house. let me keep going so I can show you some more. Alright guys, this house that we cleaned out is empty. Everything is gone. 80% of everything in this house we were able to sell right out of the house. We didn't have to move it, which is always nice. We don't have to pay to get rid of it. Everything is empty. A few things I kept that went to the warehouse. I think we could sell them for, decent money. They're worth saving, holding on to. And then I got some small stuff, some dishes, plates, little collectible things like that. That's all going to go on eBay. Let me go down to the basement. I'll show you what that looks like. Alright guys, here's the basement. I told you I would show you. The appliances are staying. I gotta get the piano out of here. That's the last thing I gotta do. All clean. Whole house is all done. I just gotta break the cast iron free from the wood. Throw that on the truck. And we're out of here. I got this little pile right here. This is all metal. Inside here, metal. I don't know if you could see too good because of the light coming in from the garage. Let's go this way. There we go. A little bit of metal. This box is garbage. The fans, I think I got them sold. I'm waiting for the person to come. There's a suitcase back there. Right here. We'll get 25 bucks for that. A dehumidifier down there, that works, so I'm going to sell that. These baskets, I got someone that's going to buy all the baskets. Again, I'm just waiting on them. Couple pillows. I'll throw them on eBay or Marketplace. Make a few extra bucks. Oh, I got a few things on the truck. Kitchen table, chairs. And I got the hutch up there. I got a lot of people that want to come pick all of them up, and nobody's showing up. That's typical, though. That's what happens. That happens on Facebook. But I'll get it sold. One more day. I'm going to move them to the warehouse tonight, and then the people could just meet me there to pick it up. I'll hold it for, I don't know, about a week or so. If not, then I'll just dump it. Alright, let me unload. Let me go unload that, actually. Let me strap that down and go unload that. And I'm going to come back and get this piano out of here.